So last night, the only thing I could think of was chicken and rice. So we're here now, and let's go check Chinatown out. You know, back at home, Chinatown is kind of grungy, a bit dirty, but here, yo, Chinatown is banging. Check this out. I don't know what kind of architecture this is. I haven't seen this in any Chinatown. It almost looks like a movie set, doesn't it? Beautiful. This is the closest I got to some durian. And then what I like to do, turn off Google Maps and just walk. Check this out. Right in the middle of the road. Just packed. I don't know how I'm gonna find that famous chicken and rice. But if you live in Asia long enough, you know one thing is true. You must go to the place with the longest line and queue up. You know there's good food there. Cheer! And no doubt, the heavens lined again. I found a place that was recommended by Anthony Bourdain, and he said the chicken was so rice and fragrant. I mean, there it is, guys, the famous chicken and rice. This one's only $5. This was a medium, the small one was $3.50, and I'm quite excited. It looks really plain though. I'm curious to see if this rice takes me to heaven. Try the rice first. Yeah, it's really good. You can just eat the rice by itself because it's flavored with that chicken broth. Let's try the chicken. But there's not much flavor in the chicken. I think it's all about the rice. Oh, very interesting. Guys, that's how you know the rice is good. Not a single grain left. Oh, there's one left here. Second dish, I'm not sure exactly what it is. I think it's some type of noodles with some Chinese sausage, some fried tofu, and some other fried goodness. I'm sure it all tastes good. They also had a black egg. I think that's, you call it a century egg, but I was too wimp to try it out. Maybe next time. Guys, what I like about Singapore, all the corporate office buildings, they have a lot of greenery mixed in. Look at this. Seoul, we got some learning to do here. I like that jungle rap. It's a different vibe to Seoul or Tokyo. Everything is indoors. I mean, just look at this. This kind of feels like an airport, but just a regular subway. Amazing. I like how it says how many steps instead of meters or feet. I know how much 90 steps is. If the weather wasn't so humid, Singapore, 5 out of 5. But this heat, not good for a Korean boy. There's our source of humidity. Guys, you know what's interesting about Singapore is that there's a lot of Indians, a lot of Singaporean, of course, a lot of Chinese, and all three, well, of course there's other Asians as well, but everyone works in harmony. I was talking with the taxi drivers, and he was telling me that you know, if you grow up here, you have to learn your native tongue. So if you're Indian, you have to take Tahil classes. If you're Chinese, Mandarin, Cantonese. But English, of course, is the you know, business language or preferred language. So everyone understands each other, different ethnicities, and it's pretty cool. You know, when I'm in Korea, it's so homogeneous. Same thing with Japan. It's all Korean. In a sense, it's very comfortable because it's 100%. But here, whether it's 25, 25, 25, 25, or 30, 30, 30, or whatever the ratios are, it seems on the surface level to be pretty harmonious, and everyone is feeling good, but probably just a tourist view.
Hi Daniel.
Hello. So how was Bali?
Bali was amazing. The beach was so pretty, and we had so much nice seafood, and like our Airbnb was so good. I fell in love with our Airbnb, and the weather was so good. There was no rain. We got so lucky.
Good.
Let's go again, Daniel, together.
Yeah.
Where are we off to?
Well, I feel a little bit lucky today.
Why?
You just scratch an itch. It's been a while since Vegas, and since we're out here, they have a casino, so let's get our hands on baccarat. No,
Let's
but I'm
go.
more of a roulette guy. I'm just kidding. We have to store our luggage. And it seems like they have a luggage service for free.
Let's go. Daniel, I told you we should leave when you're up. Why you always say go big or go home? We always end up going home. We're at the lobby of Marina Bay Sands.
After losing some money at the casino.
Yes, I wanted to kill him.
Wow. I think this is one of the best hotels I've seen. There's some nice one in Dubai, but it's pretty amazing, huh? Let's go check out some stuff.
Let's get some food.
Singaporean drunken noodles, I think. Katie, what did you get? We can't even tell. You must be very hungry.
The ramen with some seasoned vegetables.
And then what is this?
It's really good.
Dumplings with some spicy oil. Katie, calm down.
Somehow you look like a food reviewer in a foreign country.
Really?
Yeah, 그 포스가 있어.
That one is like the, what is that? Like the London Eye, huh?
London Eye, and here is Marina Bay Sands. All the rooms. Do you see the curve of the architecture? It's pretty amazing.
Wow.
And this is the ship that we want to ride.
Looks like a big hot dog.
And that's where we are heading to. Gardens by the Bay. Look at all the greenery.
Yeah, look at all the greenery. Wow, take a look. This feels like an amusement park, Katie. It's like, it has all the elements of an amusement park.
It does, and it's really big inside. Isn't it mango?
No, it's too big for a mango. It's like the size of a coconut. Wow, guys, we're dying from the heat, but we came across something very interesting. I didn't even know they had this.
Here, one is a flower dome, and then another is a cloud forest dome.
It's called Gardens by the Bay.
And with the Kinder Bueno. It's a ferry to Bintan, and we're about to ride it.
Wow. Hopefully we don't get sick.
Well, we had that hill, so we're gonna be good.
We're so prepared.
I think we're the only people who took that pill.
We're fragile Koreans.
This is where it starts.
Nice rolling shot. So this is the inside of Cassia. Katie, what do you
We're
think?
staying for our friend's wedding. Wow, and then we have the beach right in front of us and an extra swimming pool. I mean, this is like the infinity pool they have at Marina Bay Sands, right?
Got the music going? All I need is a drink in my hand. I'm ready to go.
Do you want to do your favorite rap song now?
Yo, we in Bintan. Have me a Bintan. Good.
Oh my gosh, I just had no idea about Bintan. Bintan is such a great place. It's so beautiful, calm, and it's much quieter than Bali. And well, we're in a resort area.
Jane, congratulations, by the way.
Congratulations!
I don't know how much wedding footage we'll put in because it's a bit personal for you, so maybe we won't, but congratulations.
We did a
We
tour
wish
of
you.
all.
What's your wedding message for Jane and Junkai?
Congratulations! I hope you live a healthy, long, loving relationship and life, and you know, enjoy life together.
Oh, it's good.
Are you having fun, Daniel?
Amazing time.
Shall we have a dip in the water?
Yeah. This is a skinny dipping place, right? When we hit 1 million subscribers, we're gonna do one of those special cooking episodes. We get a kitchen out here right on the flat ocean, you know? Hasa, do some pacha.
Oh, really?
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Jump! Kitty, jump!
People should come here.
Kitty, jump!
I'm
Chaco,
not-
chop
Daniel, you should jump in. It's good for your skin.
it!
All the salt. Wow! You look like a whale. Oh, you're floating. Looks like we're on the Dead Sea.
You know, when you have a six-pack, you float very easily. Oh.
But where's the six-pack? I would like to know.
Ah. Look at those nails. Uh-huh. Kitty. Alright, let me see that photo.
I love this pic. This Polaroid came out so well.
Yeah, it looks like something retro, huh?
Yeah. 오빠 너 하나 쓸래?
Yeah, I will. Alright guys, it started to rain, as you can see. So we got more ambiance. Come on.
Go in. Is it a foam party? Oh my gosh, it's coming from there. I see it. 잠깐만.
I was gonna go do the vroom vroom,
Jet ski.
but it looks like again the old man in the fish weather. Cheers! How did it feel to be bridesmaid?
I felt really nervous somehow when I was like about to enter the aisle.
I know, I can still tell by how hard you're clenching that flower. You can let it go now.
Like, and then I feel nervous for Jay, but I'm really happy that it all ended all well, so successfully. I'm really happy for you, Jay.
1, 2, 3.
From band says a very big show.
Break it down, Katie, break it down. Hey! Alright, we're back in Korea. We gotta hit it off. With bibimbap. Katie, how you feeling?
I feel so tired, but I'm happy to be back.
Alright, see you guys.
See you.